sweetness, welcome back to my channel. This is my little fashion corner, and today I thought I'd do a different video to show you guys what fashion items are currently available at Cotton On, and also how I would style them, what's currently trending and that sort of thing. I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below, and if you're not subscribed yet, girl, subscribe, become a part of the Candy fam. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first item I want to show you guys is this beautiful floral dress. Now it does have a little bit of a puffy sleeve, but not too much. These are available in different prints as well, and I really feel like the puffy sleeve is making a comeback. We saw it in last summer trends throughout winter with some winter items, and now there's a little bit more of a softer puffy sleeve, but I absolutely love this. And this I would actually pair up with a nice pair of heels, also from Cotton On. I would pair that up with these cute little square toe sandals that are also from Cotton On, available in different colors as well. You also get more of a front sandal without the back, but I like having a bit of support at the back, and then you have a stunning block heel. Another thing I also really love is the fact that sort of little over the shoulder satchels are coming back, especially in a bit more of a nylon sort of material feel. So they have a few available in different pastel colors. This is the gorgeous pastel yellow one. Hoop earrings are also really big right now, and it kind of goes with any outfit, so I'm going to be wearing these guys with all of my looks today as well. If you really want to zhuzh up and add that last little bit of accessory, headbands and headscarves are really a big trend right now. It's really cute if you style it correctly with a beautiful hairstyle, and it just adds like that little bit of a girly touch to your outfit. Sometimes I really enjoy wearing an all black outfit, and Cotton On has a few different cute little tops available. I got this one in black and also this beautiful floral yellow print, so you can kind of dress up with an all black outfit, or you can go a bit more colorful and girly, or even a bit boyish, and pair this up with some Air Force Ones or even Converse sneakers. Both of those are great options for having sort of a girly boyish look. But for the black outfit, I paired it up with some Freddy high-waisted pants and black block heels from Cotton On. And for the yellow outfit, and for the yellow top, I paired that up with these biker shorts that I'm wearing right now, together with Nike Air Force Ones. With the black outfit, I'm also adding another hair accessory that's black and white, kind of just to break the black a little bit. And then this little gold chain, I think it's actually an ankle bracelet, but it fits me perfectly as a choker, and I decided to wear it as a choker. I am a real sucker for shopping in the jeans department when it comes to t-shirts and oversized tops, and Cotton On usually has a special running on their t-shirts as well. So I popped over at the jeans section, and I actually got myself these two t-shirts. They are an extra large. Look at how cute the print is. This one says care way less, no stress, and this one says Supply Co, New York, London, Paris, Milan, which I absolutely just love this print. Obviously, once again, I'll pair these up with little biker shorts and some sneakers, and then obviously add like almost like a designer sort of handbag, just to really zhuzh up the look and make it on trend and fashion. These cute tops are pretty similar to the ones I showed you guys earlier. I got a plain white one and a green sort of little floral print. Once again, you can dress this up to be really fancy, or you can dress this up in more of a boyish sort of style add some sneakers, add some heels, wear it with a skirt. There's so many different options that you can actually style these cute tops with. I remember wearing this white top with some loungewear pants and Air Force Ones. I'll put a picture for you guys up here so you can see, and they really looked super cute. So it's like a capsule item, which I believe you can wear quite often. Activewear cotton on is really on trend at the moment. They have got the cutest little exercise shorts that are extremely comfortable, and they even have little side pockets that you can work out in. If you don't want to go for the shorts, something longer like tights, they also have you covered. And guess what? They have their own seamless range, which is just amazing. Of course, they have many different colors available for you to choose from, but they're super comfortable to work out in, and they look really cute, and they're pretty high-waisted, so you don't have to pull them up all the time. Plus that sucking in, which we want, is always welcome. As you know, it's getting much warmer, and that means that we'll be able to swim, and they have the cutest swimwear. I had to get these sort of, they're almost brown but peachy as well. You can mix and match your items, but what I really like about this is the fact that it almost sits like a bra, and I have big boobies, so I need something that will really support that. And then of course you have the matching bottom. I don't know how comfortable I feel trying these on camera, but I will see and show you guys. Sums up my little fashion trends video, currently available at Cotton On. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which outfit is your favorite, or what trends you are currently loving down below in the comments section. And also let me know if I should do more of these videos. But until next time, as always, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon.